Creators are deleting Instagram after a shocking Meta update. On December 16, 2025, Instagram quietly changed its rules. Your photos, videos, and even captions can now be used to train artificial intelligence systems across Instagram and Facebook, whether you agreed or not. So, in this video, I'm going to show you what's actually happening, how Meta is using your content, and what you can realistically do to reduce your exposure and protect yourself. What Meta uses. If your account is public, Meta can use photos you post, videos and reels, captions and comments, your face and voice in videos. Anything public is included. How Meta uses it. Meta collects and analyzes this content to train and improve its systems across Instagram and Facebook. Once your content is used, it cannot be fully undone. How this affects your privacy. Your content can be used without payment or credit. Deleting posts later doesn't fully remove their use. You have limited control unless you take action. You can reduce exposure and object to future use. Open Instagram, tap your profile picture, tap the three lines, scroll down until you see About. Tap it. Go to Privacy Policy. Tap the three lines. Go to Other Policies and Articles. Tap how Meta uses information for generative AI models and features. Scroll down and look for Privacy sections. Tap Privacy and Generative AI. Scroll down and you will see a small hidden link. This is your right to object. Tap on the link Learn More and submit request here. You will be asked to fill out a short form. Tap the check I have concern about my personal information. Fill your details carefully. Country name, email address. Email address must be the same email used for your Instagram account. Write a short reason in the relevant prompts, like I object to my public content being used for AI training. You can also be asked to upload a screenshot of your profile page or Meta account data page. Tap Send. Meta will send a code to your registered email. Enter the code to confirm your objection. Tap Confirm. And yes, we have successfully submitted the form. This limits future use of your content by Meta. Avoid posting sensitive public content and be cautious with face-focused videos or voice clips.